TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee visited Rajabala today to address a gathering during an election meeting at Nekikona Tilapara field near New Baidbari to garner support for party candidates contesting the upcoming assembly election in the state. In her address, she spoke about the different initiatives taken by the TMC government in West Bengal, the same of which will be replicated in Meghalaya once TMC comes to power. She further stated that TMC is the only alternative and remedy to bring Meghalaya on track.
Our constitution is a secular constitution. We abide by our secular constitution. Let us build up our democracy. Let us build up the humanity. Please change this corrupt government, this scandalous government, and give chance to TMC, and TMC will give you the light. TMC will give you the sunrise.